Guntur Michi market ad. World biggest market in India, Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Today, Guntur Michi market arrivals 2 lakhs bags. Total stock arrivals 2 lakhs bags incoming in market ad. Today, chili varieties and market rates. This watch video. Yellow chili, dry chili, deluxe quality. Quality wise, deluxe quality michi. Market rate 21,000 rupees. Original yellow. Quality wise, deluxe quality michi. Good sales, good demand. The chili foreign exports. DD. Kurnool DD. Devanur Deluxe. Quality wise, deluxe quality. Deluxe quality michi. Today, market rate, deluxe quality rate, 13,000 rupees are going on in market ad. Good sales, good demand. Original DD. Devanur Deluxe, Kurnool DD. Deluxe chili, dry chili. 341 chili. Chili variety 341. Quality wise, deluxe quality michi. Market rate today 13,500 rupees are going on in market ad. Local variety dry chili 341. Good demand 14,000 rupees are in going on. Bhadrachalam BCM 13,500 rupees. The chili 341 dry chili. Chili variety number 5 dry chili. Chili variety number 5. Quality wise best quality mirchi. Best quality. Today market rate best quality mirchi 12,000 rupees. Super deluxe quality rate 14,000 rupees are going on in market ad. Good sales, good demand. Best quality dry chili 2043. Chili variety 2043. Quality wise medium best. Medium best dry chili. Today market rate medium best rate 11,000 rupees are going on in market ad. Deluxe quality 14,000 rupees are going on. Deluxe quality good demand, good sales. Teja chili variety. Chili variety, this chili variety Teja medium best. Quality wise medium best. Today medium best mirchi rate 11,500 rupees are going on in market ad. Highest quality deluxe quality 13,700 rupees are going on. This chili dry chili medium best. Today mirchi rate 11,500 rupees are going on. Okay friends, tomorrow